In high-mileage trekking, the pole is the primary interface between the athlete and the terrain. If the grip geometry or locking mechanism fails, the kinetic chain is broken. At Wade Media Labs, we launched a mechanical integrity audit of the Black Diamond Pursuit. We analyzed its variable grip geometry, flick lock plus clamping force, and axial load capacity. We audited the natural grip architecture. By offering two distinct grip sizes and an optimized ergonomic can, the Pursuit minimizes ulnar nerve compression and maintains neutral wrist alignment during high-impact descents. Security is a function of friction management. We audited the Flick Lock Plus system. This forged aluminum lever provides a high torque clamp that prevents section collapse even under an axial load of over 100 pounds. We measured shaft deflection. Utilizing 7000 series aluminum, the Pursuit maintains high torsional stability, ensuring that energy transfer remains linear and vibration feedback is sequestered within the Bloom grip extension. For variable terrain, we audited the Bloom grip. This algae-based foam extension allows for rapid hand positioning during steep ascents without requiring a mechanical length adjustment, maintaining your uphill momentum. Our audit confirms, the Black Diamond Pursuit is the stability benchmark. For the trekker who requires specialized sizing and fail-safe locking integrity, it is a verified mechanical asset for the 2026 season. Don't just walk, engineer your stability. In the workshop of the trail, the Black Diamond Pursuit is the only currency that translates force into forward motion. See the full load slip logs in our 2026 trekking pole rankings at heightgearguide.com. Look for the Pursuit Technical Audit.